Hi, friends. So today we are going to learn about our sound boxes. You will find a sound box in your classroom, and within the sound box are sandpaper letters. And along with those sandpaper letters are objects that begin with those sounds. So when you do this work in your classroom, you will need a rug and the sound box. So please watch this presentation and get ready to practice it in your classroom. This is a sound box. This is the sound T. This is the sound K. This is the sound B. This is the sound O. And this is the sound I. This is a bat. Bat begins with the sound B. B. Bat. This is a toaster. Toaster begins with the sound T. T. Toaster. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with the sound K. K. Kangaroo. This is an igloo. Igloo begins with the sound E. E. Igloo. This is a lemon. Lemon begins with the sound O. O. Lemon. This is a boot. Boot begins with the sound B. B. Bat. Boot. This is a lobster. Lobster begins with the sound O. O. Lemon, lobster. This is a kettle. Kettle begins with the sound K. K. Kangaroo, kettle. Ladder. Ladder begins with the sound O. O, lemon, lobster, ladder. Insect. Insect begins with the sound I. Igloo, insect. This is a tent. Tent begins with the sound T. T. Toaster, tent. This is an iguana. Iguana begins with the sound I. I. Igloo, insect, iguana. I. Banana. Banana begins with the sound B. B. Bat, boot, banana. Kite. Kite begins with the sound K. K. Kangaroo, kettle, kite. Toilet. Toilet begins with the sound T. T. Toaster, tent, toilet. T. Toaster, T. Tent, T. Toilet. K. Kangaroo, K. Kettle, kite. K. B. Bat, B. Boot, B. Banana. O. Lemon, lobster, ladder. I. Igloo, insect, iguana. T. K. B. O. I. Thank you for joining me today for our sound box lesson. I can't wait for you to come into our classrooms and discover the sound baskets on your own and practice them. At home, you can also practice these sounds. You can use the alphabet cards, the letter cards that we've been using during our handwriting lessons, and you can find objects around your house that begin with those sounds. Good luck, have fun, and learn a lot. Thank you.